Most children in Denmark actually go to a kindergarten nowadays, so parents should be very much aware of the importance of a child perspective, because that's what is in the core of the activities in the kindergarten, and that should be supported as well in the family. That means, what are the interests of the child? What are the culture? What are the environment? And how is the child expressing its ideas? Because that should be balanced and connected to early language learning. It might be, for instance, a birthday party. They're saying happy birthday to you, though they are living in Denmark. Parents should be very much aware that through the play or dancing and singing pop music, the children, of course, pick up songs from Germany, from Sweden, from England, typical, and that's a very important aspect of the work of the kindergartens and should also be supported in the family.